face. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You're looking brand new today. I did my hair yesterday. Took me a little while, but it's done. How are you guys doing? It's chilly in the morning, really fresh, especially this morning. Super fresh in the morning. Sarah, say morning, Faith. Faith, good morning. Say hello. Come on, let's go. We are going to take Tyler to school. Papa head out already, so that's what we're doing this morning. Doing our usual routine. Hopefully you guys are doing good. It's the weekend, start of the weekend, so it's gonna be a good day. We have a few errands to run late on the road, a few things to get done before the day ends, but we're gonna make it a good day. So hopefully you guys have a good day. Do something to make you feel special today. Do something to put a smile on your face. Do something for you. Do something to make you feel better. Say something nice to somebody to make them feel special. If it's just one thing you can say to one person today to make them have a smile on their face, do it. Always be kind, always be nice, and have a good day. What you want to say?
I wanted to say to you
Speak up.
that you did the beginning yesterday and the end today. One half today.
No, not at all. I did all of it yesterday when you were sleeping.
So when I saw still a big hole of pat like this one when you had wait long. Goodbye, one. Please.
You're gonna have a good day?
Yes.
It's the last day of school before the weekend. What are we gonna do tomorrow for activity? Hiking.
Yes.
Hiking.
Mama,
Let's see, we'll figure it out.
Saturday, I want to go to a new city.
Alright.
I wonder what city is going to be.
Hold this because our hair is, she don't like when our hair is in our face.
Yes.
Turn it up. Hold it up so they can see your face. Hold it up. Right. You can talk now.
I'm trying. What to do? Sarah?
You're too cute. Come. Lala is so silly. Anyway, you guys, we're doing the school run, so we'll see you guys later. Yes?
What I was doing today, what I was doing is showing them that I had a hole.
But you had a hole in your mouth. You
Yes.
don't have no teeth.
Yes.
That teeth is taking forever to come down, but it's coming. Even this morning I was looking at it. Look at this one. No more stroller to take Tyler to school in the morning. She enjoy walking. Sarah, look. Sarah. Sarah. Come on. Go. This is going to be them next September. The cutest thing ever. A long day it has been. I have been cleaning all day. All the morning I've been just cleaning. It's one of those days where I just felt like cleaning and dusting and all that good stuff. So I did all that after I dropped Tyler at school this morning. Actually about to go and pick him up right now, and then I'm going to head to the supermarket where baby's going to pick me up after I finish shopping. and I think I also want to go and search for proper hiking shoes, because I realize that when I do long walks, when I go hiking and I'm not in the right shoes, my foot kill me for days after that. So I think I'm going to do that also later. So I'm about to go pick up Sarah right now. She's taking a nap, and yeah, she's in her bed taking a nap. Since I let you guys in on what was happening with Sarah, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update. So I have realized that there's nothing wrong with Sarah's room. There's nothing wrong with Sarah. She is just really going through a phase, and that's just it. She's going through a phase where she wants mama. She have nothing to do with papa right now. She wants mama, and just mama alone at all times. Mama to cuddle, mama, and if it's not that, then it's her way or no way at all. And I tried to give in to her ways, and I realized that, Mel, you know what, if you keep doing this and giving into her way, you're gonna have a hard time if this continue. So I decided to dial back and to go back to my regular routine and putting her in her bed and let her understand that, look, this is nap time, this is night time, and you just gotta go sleep. I've been doing that for a few days, and a few nights she'll cry like a few minutes, and then she fell asleep and she'll sleep through the night. So as you guys can see, I'm looking a little bit refreshed because I'm not so tired from the nights, because she's back to sleeping in the night. So I just have to continue doing this and be consistent, and you know, love her along the way and let her understand that, look, you don't always get to have your way, and when mama is doing something is the right way, but at the same time listen to her a bit, you know. So if I see that her cry is different from the cry that she used to cry, then I know that something is wrong. But I'm just going with my mama instinct, and so far so good. So give thanks, and thank you guys for all the love and all the encouragement and all the tips and all the suggestions that you guys send. You guys are amazing. I'm gonna go pick her up right now and give her a bottle, get her dressed, and we're gonna head for Tyler and then head on the road. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and yes, the crazy supermarket haul is coming up at some point throughout today, so don't miss that. And girl, if it's your first time to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? You're here, which means you're supposed to subscribe. Love you guys. Subscribe right now. You guys, we are back. We just ran in the house and I'm warming dinner. I picked up food at the Chinese. Let me give you guys an idea of what we're having tonight. It's Friday night, but hey, that's what I picked up. So that's what dinner is. A little bit of everything. You have chicken, shrimp, fish, names, rice. Real Chinese tonight. The kids are already eating because they're super hungry. Look at Princess enjoying her food, and Tyler. Yummy Thai. You guys, I feel energized now because I finished eating. Me and my baby went shopping, and we're back and ready to do the supermarket. How was dinner?
Chinese.
How was it? How was it?
The dinner was Chinese good.
It was Chinese good.
When I say Chinese good, I mean Chinese are good.
Chinese are good. What is that?
It's good.
Ow!
Chinese.
Ah! Where you flicking your hands? You did mess your shirt up with the yogurt tie? You coming? Come here. Finish, don't do that. You coming? Up. Oh. Ready? Say hello, Fizz.
Hello, Miss.
Come, Ty. Come, Sarah is ready for the supermarket haul.
Okay.
Ready for the haul, Sarah? Say ready for the haul. Say supermarket haul.
Supermarket haul.
Sarah, say supermarket haul.
Supermarket haul.
Put your hand over your mouth. Alright, let's go. We don't know where Papa is, so we're just gonna do the supermarket haul without him. If he show up, he show up.
Favorite breakfast.
was speaking.
Your favorite bag.
Okay, Tyler says his favorite bag first. Let's go. What's that? Something new. Can you guess what Tyler picked up in the snack section? Sarah, what is this? Popcorn. No. It's biscuit.
Is the wrong way?
That's okay.
When you put it like that.
Alright, this is not really a favorite bag, not Tyler. It's a mixture of things. Cereal.
Mama, she thought somebody did check her.
Yes, that's fine. Let's ignore
Can
that.
I smell your body to see if it's you?
The clown has showed up. And as easy as he show up, he start the foolery. Clown, get your spot. Alright, don't bother slamming in my head because my hair is tight. Juice! She not screaming today because she cried so much to go to bed. Her voice hoarse. Look, come on, before you get me irritated, especially you. Hey.
Okay, let's see what we have here. We have a meat. What kind of chicken is that?
Roastery chicken. Sit down, don't touch me.
Sarah, sit down. Poulet. Good
Do the
job.
chicken dance. Do the chicken dance with Tai Tai. Do like this. Do like this. Quack, quack, quack. Watch out.
Mwah. I love you.
Let's go. What's that?
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Alright, what
Tell
do
us
we
your
have?
favorite bag here.
Alright.
Come, let's go. What's this? Peach. En français, c'est quoi ça? What's that, Sarah?
Pretzel.
Go.
That's Monster Munch. Always taking the right one. But this woman here, she always said, but I want to try some things new. Like I never tried.
If you don't try, how are you gonna know?
I tried and just tell you this is the best one. And you restart and
It's
just
not there.
one, and you say, terrible. Terrible.
Guys,
here
if
to
you don't
give you
try
advice.
something, how are you gonna know? But the one that you said is not there. Tyler, the one that you said, is it there?
No.
She retained, she
Boo!
learned the lesson.
C'est beau.
Bo.
She learned the
What
lesson.
is the ketchup and salad?
C'est beau.
Who was right?
Boo!
Who was right?
Boo!
Who was right? You know that's who was right.
Boo!
She's just looking like a chicken that you have to take chicken of everything.
Papa, you want Santa at the supermarket, so you don't even know the real answer.
Exactly. He don't go to the supermarket anymore.
Yeah.
Me and Tyler do supermarket.
I don't like supermarkets. I mean,
He deliberately stay at work and send me alone shopping.
I do that.
Deliberately.
I do
Normally on a Friday make effort to come home, not anymore. Come. Sarah, what is
I don't
this?
like supermarket. I mean, she do it well.
Shut up. Come back around us. What's this, Sarah?
Tea.
Gato. Cake. What's this, Sarah? No, what is this? It's bread. It's bread.
What do we have here? We have something named lanty in French. I don't know what they call it in English, but I don't know where she got this.
Another nice bag tie. Come here, Tyler. What's this? What is it? Oh, you know what it is.
That's a smoked salmon. You put the salmon, you smash it, you smoke it, and you put it back in the packet.
Show Sarah the pizza. You're not sure Sarah. What is this? What is this?
Right.
She following Tyler. What is this? Quinoa. What's this, Sarah? Yogurt.
Alright, what else do we have? We have some juice,
Sarah,
apple
what is
juice.
this?
She's the drinker.
No, lie.
He's the
Don't
drinker.
lie, say untruth.
On Tuesday, the drinker.
Is me the drinker?
Talk true. The kids never lie.
Is me
The kids
drinker?
never lie. So if Tyler says so, it is so. It is so. It is so.
She feel like yes, yes.
I don't have to say yes because Tyler tell the truth. You guys know Tyler not lying.
I'm still shocked. Tyler not lying?
No, he's not lying.
Tyler is the biggest liar. He lied more than you.
No, because I hear Papa.
Look, I'm touching
Wait,
his
he's
nose.
speaking. Wait.
I hear you say, at the table, I hear you saying to Papa that in the night before he go to bed, he drink every day juice. No, that's how I know that you are the drinker. And
I'm trying to say that. I mean, the boy listened only what you want to listen. Did Mama say apple juice? Did Mama say apple juice?
I'm the only one that drink juice every day. Guess who it is? Papa.
Did Mama say apple juice?
Papa.
Mama can't
Papa.
drink. Mama can't drink apple juice every day because he eats apple juice in one day.
Sarah, say Papa. Papa. Say Papa. Papa. Say Papa. 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 Say Papa.
Mama. Mama.
Alright, fini to limon. Sarah, say Costa. What is this?
Chocolate. Mama, something
Come on, discover what we buy and let me alone.
I think you stink. I think you need to put some fresh air on you.
I don't tell you who stink. Take off. Come on. I watch your mouth.
I watch you, ma. What you gonna do,
Don't
girl?
take these. Don't take these out. You guys, this is frozen bag. Frozen bag have broccoli, zucchini, fries. What is
Let's
this?
go.
Poisson.
Perroquet.
Perroquet.
It smells like Tyler.
Tyler said poisson.
You smell like Tyler when you wake up in the
I'm
morning.
speaking.
Excuse me, Mama. Can you tell?
Tyler?
Oh,
Can I put this in your
no,
underwear?
stop, Papa. I'm talking.
You're talking.
What is
Mama,
it? Yeah.
I'm saying to you that can you tell Fifth what is perroquet in Jamaica?
No, I'm going to tell Fizz right now that Tyler just said poisson perroquet. If you guys can comment down below, and I want you guys not to Google, no cheating. Guess what's the translation for poisson perroquet? Down below in the comment section. That's your assignment for today.
Only 1 minute.
1 minute you guys have to get it.
Breadfruit?
Kind of, I must get ahead of breadfruit.
A breadfruit?
Here, Sarah, when Sarah see this one. Sarah, what is this? Watch her in her only tour. What is this? Good job, my girl.
And what is this?
She knows. What is this? Kiwi! I love you. She's learning through the supermarket haul.
The 1 minute is almost finished.
What is this? Orange, but
The time is out.
mandarin.
Okay, so the time is out.
Yes.
So
You
the
better
Mama,
love this.
the time is out for them
For you to go to bed. For you to go to bed.
Faves, your time is up. Did anybody get it right? Poisson perroquet. Tyler, tell them the answer.
No, you tell them.
Parrot fish. Perroquet is parakeet.
And
I'm
parrotfish
impressed.
and
Blah
because
blah blah.
I'm very impressed. Are you
parrotfish
sure about that?
is what we
sure?
eat.
Tyler speaking.
It's
What is it, Ty?
It's a parrot.
They're not speaking anymore. Go ahead.
Tell them.
Is that a fish? Stop!
Come on today, I'm here now.
That smells better than his hair.
Tell them what it is. No pain, no mind.
Is that a perroquet fish? of Jamaica with
Talk, you don't need to.
51. Oh,
Tyler said, parrot fish is what we eat when we in Jamaica and the beach with festival. What is this, Sarah?
Let's see if she remember. What is this?
What is this? Hey! Yo! Sarah just making up some words. What she just say?
Yes, this is Jamon.
Wait, Sarah, what is this? Maybe we should say it again. Sarah, what is this? Sarah, what is this?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Anyway, you guys, I'm done. I'm really, I don't know what you'll make of this haul, but I'm just done. I'm over this chaos. I'm over my family. Somebody please Tyler me here.
You have to change family. I mean, you have to give up the family and go into your.
I just want to be alone.
And go back to your.
Jesus Christ, watch ya. Look what's going on around here, so. Oh my God. Wait. Just let's watch, see what she's doing. Can you guys see her? These waffles, you know, waffles in a pack, and she's biting them. It's hers anyway.
Boom! And she break the milk.
Sarah, you're not hungry. What? Jesus. All right,
That's
Tyler.
your fault.
Okay.
Your
You
fault.
get down.
You, Melissa Wallace, your fault.
Tyler.
No.
Jesus.
Your fault.
All right. Okay, you
What
guys.
did I do to this family?
I'm gone. I'm
You have to
done.
let her know.
Come, end the vlog. Rock, paper, scissors, and end the vlog. Come, loser. Come. Rock, paper, scissors.
In one.
No, in three. Tyler lose, him going to bed. If Tyler win, him get to watch TV for about 15 minutes.
You
heard that?
If you win, you
If
can
you
watch
win, you get to watch TV. No, it's me saying it and no cheating and on time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, that's not
I win.
No. That's not count.
I'm calling the video. The cheating family. I'm calling the video.
Tyler, stop.
1-0.
Yeah, no. I didn't even know that he lost, but I said no because he was late.
Yeah, but instead of he lost, so it should be 1 point for me.
Okay, 1 point for you. Come back up. You're a champion. You're gonna win anyway. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Stop shooting with nothing. You need to go on the floor. I'm not listening to
No, you just have the right.
Baby, you're really big time.
You are cheating at first for 15 minutes and make me lose all of my energy for cheating. So I have to focus and to control that you're not cheating. Anyway, guys, that was a nice Friday. The Friday always nice. Well, we used to have a Friday like
the only
drink and thing like
exactly.
this.
I was just about to say the only thing I was looking forward to is
We need to celebrate
end the night with some drink and pistachio. But guess who picked me up late?
Sarah?
You picked me up late.
I pick you up at 7.
You don't normally pick me up earlier than that.
You were not ready earlier than that. I just let you wait 10 minutes.
10 minutes make a difference. You pick me up late. You're late. So, come home and do everything and spend time with the kids. What time to go to bed?
Well, we need to celebrate the weekend again. Because guess what? We're going to have a good weekend.
Tomorrow is sunny. I'm looking forward to tomorrow's adventure.
Tomorrow's sunny day?
Very sunny.
No shame.
Anyway, guys, Tyler open skin. Put a lot of heart emoji in the comment section for Tyler, for the champion, and put some trophy cups in the comment section for champion Tyler. I'll say lose a ludo. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.